Hey everybody, this is Crazy Dave again. Still out here working on my chicken coop. It's actually been several days. In the last video I told you how I had made several mistakes and I was going to have to correct that. So let me kind of show you what I did, and I'm sure if you are a contractor or construction worker, you're probably cringing at what I'm doing. Come on along, and I'll show you some of the things I've been doing and what I've done to correct some of my mistakes, and might even show you a few of my mistakes. So, originally I just used the posts to frame up my floor, which I decided was very flimsy. So as you can see, I've added in some crossbars here and then crossbarred that way. I figure it's only supposed to hold chickens, so you know, it doesn't have to be too terribly sturdy, but I wanted it to be more sturdy than it was. And since the last time we talked, I've started framing up the walls and got those up. Today we're going to do a little bit more framing, and like I said, it doesn't matter if you make some mistakes. Ultimately you want your chickens to be safe. Even here you can see, I think I cut this board a little bit long. I was in a hurry and it was getting dark, so then when I came over to this board, obviously there's a little bit of a gap there, but it's gonna be all right. It's still sturdy, it's still holding together. That'll hold the wall up. And today I'm putting in a couple of 16-inch boards, and I'm going to do a crossbar there. And then I'll have some roosting bars going across this way. So they'll be cutting through here. Probably 4 or 5 roosting bars. And then we're going to have the nesting box coming out this side, also at about this height. So the nesting box won't be anywhere near the chicken poop, and it'll be a good height for us to be able to reach in and get the eggs. So they should really enjoy that. And then of course on this opposite side we're going to have a door. So I'll check back with you in a little bit. So what we're doing right now is we're putting some crossbars here. Did some bars going up to hold those in place, and some crossbars here. And then I'm going to have my roosting bars coming across like this. And of course in this section right here we're going to have bars that come all the way out, so they'll be roosting at the same level as the nesting boxes. Right now we're letting Dave get used to using a drill. I haven't done a good job of teaching my kids how to work with tools, so we're doing some learning as we go here. I'm learning to build buildings, and they're learning to use tools.